Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is LG S60Q soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, Dolby Atmos, and it's 300 audio power output. It's with AI Sound Pro Immersive technology. You can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable, and HDMI with built-in active amplifier. So this S60Q supports immersive surround sound technology, Dolby Atmos, visually recreating a cinematic experience at home. An array of 2.1 channel including wireless subwoofer, high power output, 300 watts ensure that the audio is highly immersive. The S60Q has been designed to perfectly pair your LG TV, complementing your home, enhancing your audio visual experience. A sophisticated fabric wrap covers 3 sides and will look stylish in any living space. Plus, with 2020 LG TV Share, the TV sound engine for ultimate pairing. 3D sound technology projects sound over and around you, making for an immersive experience. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside, and I hope this will help you to make informed choice about this soundbar. This is the information pack and battery, double A battery. Remote control and power cable is inside. Wall mount. This is subwoofer here. Beautiful. Here we go. Nice. This is with fabric. See what it looks like. Best match LG TV, LG soundbar S60Q new. 2.1 channel with Dolby Atmos, compatible with Dolby Vision, ARC, 4K pass-through, HDMI. The ports have HDMI in, HDMI TV, ARC, optical cable, and 5V 500 mAh USB port. This is the wireless subwoofer here. and the power cable is attached to the subwoofer. Nice, beautiful. The power cable, remote control. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. So what we have here, this is the subwoofer and this is the soundbar. See what it looks like. And power cable, HDMI cable, wall mount, and remote control, battery, and information pack. You also got 2 screws to mount this. I'm just gonna measure this. So from this end, 76 centimeter length. The width is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter width, 76 length. Subwoofer is 17.5 centimeter from the front to the back, 25 centimeter. Now from the bottom to the top is 40 centimeter or 39.9 centimeter. So this is what we have here. What we want to do is to show you how to set this up. The subwoofer, the cable is attached to it, so you just need to plug in the power cable to the power. And now take the cable with this soundbar, go at the back and push it inside to AC in. Now plug in the soundbar to the socket. From this also, this soundbar, if you look here, you will see optical, BT, and HDMI when you are selecting the input. You can also switch this soundbar on from here. This button here is for you to select the input. Minus is for you to decrease the volume. Plus is for you to increase the volume. And this button here is for Bluetooth. So you can select the function from the top if you haven't got the remote control. The remote control is included, so we're just gonna put the remote. So this is the battery. Double A battery is what the remote control is using. So push down, then take the positive to the positive end and negative to the negative end. Now push the remote back up. I'm going to show you how to connect this soundbar to TV using HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. Unplug the soundbar. Unplug everything. So go to the soundbar where it's written HDMI TV ARC. So push the cable to HDMI TV ARC. Now take the other end of the cable to the back of your TV. So back of your TV where it's written HDMI in to ARC. HDMI in to ARC. Plug the soundbar back onto the power, and also plug the TV and the subwoofer. Switch the soundbar on, and once you switch it on, the light here will stop blinking once it linked together. Use the input.
Bluetooth.
This is Bluetooth.
LG TV. HDMI.
HDMI. Now switch the TV on. So go to the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound, and you can see HDMI ARC device. So this is how to hook this up. It's connected via HDMI ARC device. And once it's HDMI ARC, you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote and also with TV remote. This is nice soundbar that deserves your attention.
James Cook starred for the ball.
Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is how to hook this up to TV using HDMI cable. Thank you.